Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 33 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/4/1. The question goes like this. In the given figure, TP and TQ are tangents to a circle with center M touching another circle with center N at A and B respectively. It is given that MQ is 13 centimeter, NB is 8 centimeter, BQ is 35 centimeter, and TP is 80 centimeter. That is, this full length is 80 centimeter. From the diagram, we understand that there are two circles. One is a bigger one with radius 13 centimeter and a smaller one with radius 8 centimeter. T is a point external to these two circles. Tangents to a circle from the same external point are equal in length, which means TP is equal to TQ. TP is given as 80 centimeter, so TQ is also 80 centimeter. The same way for the smaller circle of radius 8 centimeter, T is an external point. So from T there are two tangents to this circle, which is TA and TB. These two are also equal in length. Question 1. Name the quadrilateral MQBN. That is, they are talking about this part of the diagram, MQBN. Here, MQ is perpendicular to QB and NB is also perpendicular to QB, which implies MQ is parallel to NB. So now, in the quadrilateral MQBN, one set of opposite sides are parallel, which means this shape is a trapezium. Question 2. Is MN parallel to PA? Justify your answer. From the diagram, we can understand that if we extend MN, this MN and PA, they meet at the point T. So, AP and MN are not parallel. Question 3. Find the length TB. That is this part. To get TB, we can take the whole length and subtract this length BQ. As said already, this TP and TQ are equal. So TQ is 80 centimeter and BQ according to question is 35. So TB is 45 centimeter. Question 4. Find the length MN. That is, we have to get the length of this line segment. For that, let's view this small triangle MEN. MN is the hypotenuse. From the question, EN is perpendicular to MQ and QB is also perpendicular to MQ, which implies that EN is parallel to QB. Obviously, EN also becomes equal to QB. That is, EN is 35 centimeter. This also implies that NB is equal to EQ, which is equal to 8 centimeter. ME is equal to MQ minus EQ. That is 13 minus 8, which is 5 centimeter. MN is equal to square root of ME square plus EN square. ME is 5 centimeter and EN is 35 centimeter, which is 25 root 2 centimeters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.